Let's go!
Hey, what's going on guys? RJ here, and today I will be building this model truck by Italeri. Make sure to like the video guys to show your support for the channel, and subscribe to keep up to date with new series. So let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, let's open it up and have a look. So let's take off the top. Okay, so we have, that's not what we need. We have instructions here, some stickers inside. And we've got parts of the body here. Some glass parts. More of the body. Some chrome plated parts. Parts of the rim. Got some tires all around the place. We got some parts of the chassis and the engine. And yeah, just some other parts left over in the box. And some more wheels there and all that. But yeah, so there's all of those. We'll put all these back now. And yeah, let's start. Okay guys, for step 4, you will be needing some glue. So I've got some normal glue and some poly cement. You'll need black, grey, 2 brushes for both of them, some cutters to cut the plastic, some clamps, and a soldering iron for step 2, which I'll tell you about in a minute. But okay, so let's start. Okay guys, I thought I'd do a voiceover while we're doing this time lapse, just to keep you up to date and stop you being bored while I do this time lapse. Hopefully you enjoy. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm cutting out the chassis rails now and getting all the parts ready to glue. If you guys are enjoying, make sure to hit that like button. If we can get a goal this video to get 5 likes, then that'll be great. As you can see here, I'm now gluing the cross members together, ready to go between the chassis rails. I'm now cutting and gluing the air tanks on. Okay, chassis all glued together now. Okay, starting to glue the cross members on now. If you guys have made it this far and still enjoying it, write time-lapse in the comments just to let me know that you're liking it still. Okay guys, I'm getting the front axle ready now so I can show you my first tip that I'm going to do for this series, and that is going to make the wheels turn. Okay, I'm getting the front suspension ready now. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make it steer now. So it's pretty easy to do. So all you have to do is, like I've got here, make one side done, just here. So half of it. But then, if I get it right, so you should be able to, this way, sit on here. So now you have it sitting on. Spin it upside down and get your bottom piece, this one here, and it's got to face towards the back. So all you got to do is put some glue on the two little dots here, just to hold it in place, but none on the actual column. If you put some on the column, then you will glue it all together. There we go. So now this side, see how you can steer? Even when the glue dries, I'll show you later, it'll still steer, because we actually have none on the actual column itself, only where it goes to the hub. So that's pretty cool. So I'll do the other side and I'll be back with you now. Okay guys, both hubs are now spinning. As you can see here, we've got both of them spinning. So now we've got to get the column to go between it. But if we glue that on, well, what's the point of making these not steer? So this is where the soldering iron comes into play. So I'll put that soldering iron down. So what you got to do first, if you spin it upside down, it makes it a bit easier. So if you sit them in where it's got to go, then slide your steering column in. Once it's through like that, all we have to do now is get our little soldering iron out, and just very carefully, if I sit it down here, you just got to tap the top of that column, just a little bit, just to melt the plastic over the top, to hold it in place. So now, now we're done with the soldering iron, and it'll steer. So see, now I can steer it. So just like this, bring it over in front of the camera, steer it just like so, and everything's in place. I can wriggle it all around. She ain't coming off. Because of the soldering iron just tapping over the top of those columns, it just melts the plastic, and yeah, so we now have them glued on like that. Well, soldered on. Get back into the time lapse, and I'll see you in the next part. Alright, back into the time lapse. So as you can see here, I'm putting all the shocks in there now for the front suspension. Okay, I'm getting the back suspension ready now. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit dark now due to the shadows, you can see. Okay, I'm now getting the back axles ready. Hope you guys are still enjoying the video. Comment what your favourite part was down in the comments below. Okay, I'm gluing the back axles in now, as you can see, then I'm going to leave it overnight to dry. Okay guys, I've left it overnight to dry, so as you can see, our front axle is now turning, like so, all the columns are spinning, the back axle's all done, and the chassis is done, so in the next one I'll be doing the engine, but till then, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Let's go!